Hello students, now we are going to see types of force from 3rd standard science. Already we learned the force. What is force? Force is a push or a pull on an object which make it move, change its shape. Okay. Force is divided into two. First one, contact force. Next, non-contact force. Contact force means force is applied by touching the object. Contact force is classified into three: muscular force, mechanical force and frictional force. Non-contact force means force is applied without touching by the object. It is classified into two. First one, gravitational force. Next, magnetic force. Let's see one by one. First one, muscular force. Let's see the picture. One girl make a pot. She uses her hand to make pots. She takes a clay and make a pot. Here force is applied by touching the object. It is called muscular force. The force applied by using the parts of body is called muscular force. This is bulldozer. It is a machine. It is used to dig a ground. Okay. Here force is applied by the machine. It is called mechanical force. Let's see the picture. This is apple tree. Why do fruits fall down from the tree? Because air pulls all the object towards itself. So the fruit fall down. This is called gravitational force. My dear students, when we jump, suddenly we come back towards earth. Next, when we throw a ball up in the air, suddenly the ball comes towards the air. It is called gravitational force. This is magnet. Magnet is a material. It attracts all iron things. The force that attracts things is called magnetic force. Next, observe the picture and write the kind of force involved here. Let's see one by one. Let's see the first picture. Here the boy kicks the ball by his leg. Here force is applied by using the parts of his body. It is called muscular force. This is the example of muscular force. This is fan. It is a machine. Here the force is applied by machine. This is called mechanical force. Let's see the next one. Here the leaf falls towards the earth. It is called gravitational force. Here the magnetic bar attracts the iron tools. It is called magnetic force. Next, tick the muscular force. My dear students, some pictures are given here. Listen carefully and tick the muscular force. First one, the boy play tennis. Here the force is applied by his hand. It is called muscular force. So tick it. Next, gravity force. Third one boy ride a cycle. Here force is applied by his leg. It is the example of muscular force. Tick. Next, the girl read a book. No. Next, the girl pull a exercise kit. Here force is applied by her hand. This is the example of muscular force. So tick. Next, frictional force. When we roll down a ball on a grass ground, it slows down and finally stops. The force that stopped ball is frictional force. Here the force is applied. The force that stopped the ball. It is called frictional force. Next, friction. Friction is a force action between two surfaces in contact, which is called friction. For example, flint stone. Early humans accidentally discovered fire by rubbing two flint stones. Here friction force is applied the surface of the flint stone. Next, classify. Some activities are given here. My dear students, list out what are the push activities are here, what are the pull activity, what are the frictional activity here. Okay students, write neatly. This is homework for you.